Hey everyone, it's Erin Floater here, and I am here setting up for the week of the 15th. As you guys can see, I have another training going on this week. It's been a lot, but these trainings are only offered once in a while, and by that I mean like almost never, and they're actually happening in my region, so I need to do these trainings while they're still offered here. So I am going to set up for this week. I'm gonna do kind of like an events thing over here. I didn't sketch anything out this week, so I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants, as you guys can see from my nails as well. Sorry about that. So I'm kind of just getting by. So I'm gonna have like a little events panel over here, and then I think I'm just going to do some horizontal. I don't know. We'll see how it ends up turning out. It might be a little bit of a hot mess. Plan with me, but you guys seem to like when I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on that, and I will see you on the other side. Alright, so this is all I have set up for this week. I decided not to do the horizontal thing. I get bored with the horizontal method, so I think I'm going to do it very similar to this setup, where it's like kind of horizontal, but it's just wherever I need space for that particular day, with some headings scattered about. So like I kind of know like, oh, this was all Monday, this was Tuesday, this was Wednesday. So I kind of know, just based on the types of tasks that I was doing, what day it goes to. But I thought that this would be fun, and this is absolutely not how I envisioned this spread turning out, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out regardless. So I have training, and I have this wrong, I think. I think ICS 300 goes into Wednesday, but basically it is training so that I can do emergency responses. So I have a lot of the beginning ones so I could do those, but these are so that I can do certain types of emergency responses. So I have that Monday through Thursday. I'm back on a 4:10 schedule for this week, so Friday I would have off, and then the weekend I knew that because of the training I don't have pretty much any other meetings because it's an all-day affair. So I've kept this events thing very compact than I usually would, and I've really been loving bringing back the weekly habits going on. I used this habit tracker very well, and so I'm going to be doing it into this week and into the week of the 15th as well. I'm filming this ahead of time because I have training all next week, so I won't really be able to do any sort of filming, so I wanted to make sure I had light while I was filming, so that's why I'm doing it now. And I need to set up a couple weeks ahead of time because a lot of the wedding stuff is starting to affect me a couple weeks ahead of time, so I really need to have these weeks planned out. So I added a little bit of some sort of giraffe geometric type pattern just all over the place, and I really like how it turns out. It feels very artsy. It feels like I have a lot of room to get creative this week, and I'm excited about that. So I hope you guys like this setup. If you do, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.